Hey, this is Ricky with APF Motorcycle Salvage. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our builder bikes and parts bikes as of December 17th, 2013. So as you can see, we got a couple Shadows, a couple GS's, a couple Ninjas. We have a YZF 600. We have quite a few Goldwings, quite a few Yamaha Ventures, just all kinds of miscellaneous bikes and all kinds of parts. You can see here, surrounded by parts. Okay, we're gonna go to the back lot now. Okay, back here we have an old XL 350 Honda Shadow, a CM 185 Honda, a couple other bikes here. This is a CMX, I believe, so a Rebel Goldwing. That looks like a CB 750 or 550. Right there, we got some more bikes. A couple of quads. Another quad right here. This is a Quadmaster 500 Suzuki. Some more quads. Little go-kart project. And lastly, some more quads. Okay, this is the back lot. This is where motorcycles pretty much go to die. We have pretty much just parts bikes back here. They're not gonna really be projects or anything, because most of the time the motors are bad and things are seized, so these are just good for parts like forks, bar switches, wheels, shocks, stuff like that. Let's see that we got all kinds of stuff. We got a collection of frames back there, sport bike and street cruiser as well. Quad parts. We also carry quite a few China quads as well back here. It's a China quad right there and right there. Quad wheels. Then over here we have 3 snowmobiles. I don't know much about them. I'm a bike person, but we got this yellow one. We got a Yamaha 250 Enticer and another Yamaha 250 Enticer. Let's get a better look at these.